What if I told you that eating pineapple could do more than just satisfy your sweet tooth? This tropical fruit has some shocking benefits for male reproductive health, boosting testosterone, improving stamina, and even enhancing fertility. Stick around to find out why you should add more pineapple to your diet today. You're going to be shocked by what this tropical powerhouse can do for you. Let's be real for a second, guys. When it comes to health, we often focus on things we can see: building muscle, staying lean, having lots of energy. But what about what's going on inside, specifically our reproductive health? Male reproductive health is about so much more than just having children. It's about your virility, your energy levels, and even your overall mood. Now, you might be wondering, what does pineapple have to do with all of this? Well, pineapple is packed with nutrients that can significantly impact your reproductive health. So, if you're ready to take control of your health and optimize your performance, let's dive into the specific ways pineapple can make a difference.
One of the key components of pineapple that makes it so beneficial for men is an enzyme called bromelain. You won't find this powerhouse in many other fruits, which is why pineapple is so special. Now, bromelain has a whole host of benefits, but one of the most notable is its potential to boost testosterone levels. We all know testosterone is crucial for building muscle, increasing energy, and maintaining a healthy libido. But here's the thing, as we age, our natural testosterone production can decline. This is where bromelain comes in. Studies suggest that bromelain may help to increase testosterone levels naturally. So, by adding pineapple to your diet, you're essentially giving your body a natural testosterone boost. Now let's talk about another crucial aspect of male reproductive health: sperm quality. If you're thinking about having kids down the road, you want to make sure your swimmers are in tip-top shape. And guess what? Pineapple can help with that too. That's because pineapple is loaded with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that's been shown to improve sperm quality. These free radicals can damage sperm cells, leading to reduced motility, how well they swim, and lower sperm count. Vitamin C steps in to neutralize these free radicals, protecting your sperm and giving them the best chance of reaching their destination. Okay, gentlemen, let's talk about something we all want: healthy blood flow. And no, I'm not just talking about hitting the gym. Pineapple happens to be a good source of potassium, an essential mineral that plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure and promoting blood flow. Why is this important for reproductive health? Well, healthy blood flow is crucial for achieving and maintaining erections. This translates to improved erectile function and overall better performance. So, next time you're looking for a snack that can also spice things up in the bedroom, reach for a juicy pineapple. We've already covered a lot, but pineapple has even more to offer. This fruit is a good source of B vitamins, particularly thiamine. Now, thiamine is essential for converting food into energy, which means it can help combat fatigue and boost your stamina. Whether you're hitting the gym, working long hours, or just want to keep up with your kids, pineapple can give you the sustained energy you need to power through your day. Pineapple also contains anti-inflammatory properties, which can be especially beneficial for men concerned about prostate health. Chronic inflammation can contribute to various health problems, including prostate issues.
Okay guys, ready for a fun fact about pineapple that most people don't know? Many people claim that eating pineapple can actually improve the taste of bodily fluids, particularly semen. While there's no official scientific evidence to support this claim, many men swear by it. They say that regularly eating pineapple makes a noticeable difference. Pineapple is packed with natural sugars and has a distinct, tangy flavor. It's like nature's way of making things a little sweeter. So if you're curious, I say give it a try. It's a fun and harmless experiment. Just remember, everyone's body is different, so results may vary.
Now that you know how powerful pineapple can be, are you going to start eating it more? Drop a pineapple emoji in the comments if you're in. We've covered a lot today, from boosting testosterone and sperm quality, to enhancing blood flow, and even potentially improving the taste of things. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Remember, small changes in your diet can have a big impact on your overall health and well-being. Until next time, stay healthy and keep it juicy.